Hello, today I'm coming to Nopporo Koen in Sapporo, Hokkaido, and this season autumn leaf really good, and here is not too much mountain, but feeling like in the mountain like this, very good view. And I didn't much talk today, and you can enjoy the park here. Maybe here is you can walk around 2-3 hours over, and if you want just a little bit, okay, but maybe 30 minutes like that, it is better, because here is very big park for natural, and people come here. So maybe if weekday, but weekend I didn't much know. Here have a long way. Just a little bit I saw the autumn leaf here, and today yellow color is really good. Maybe I will be back soon. Here is so good. If you want to relax and for walking here, it's really good place. I recommend to you when you come to traveling in Sapporo. Here is the 同立自然公園の森林公園案内図 Nopporo Forest Park 北海道 Perfectual Natural Park Guide Map. Here is so big, you can enjoy, I said, 2-3 hours easy for hiking, walking, like that. And many points have a park, which one you use. Maybe 1 day, 2 day, 3 day coming here, enjoy the different point. It's good too. Okay, I will back go there, and they have a monument, a name of 100年記念塔. Just I don't know how to say in English it, but maybe it is so old. Someone say will be the broken it because so old, sometimes dangerous if too old, but didn't know it is. This is name of 100年記念と、good や。This is main kaitai is broken, and maybe this year and will be 2 years using. Maybe from this year to some years later will be nothing here. Nearby this monument already cannot to be nearby it, maybe because old. This monument like this other side. I think maybe before can walk up there long time ago, but I forgot because long time I didn't visit here. But today just I read newspaper because this monument will be broken or not, just not sure. Then I want to take a photo here and shooting video. Over there, Ebetsu area, if you go into there and turn over here, it be, you can see the over there support dome. They have sometimes soccer match and baseball. So good view and really good view. This here. Before 羊ヶ丘展望台 observatory 羊ヶ丘 from there also can see the 100年記念 monument here. So good. And if going to there, maybe support dome, then Minamiku area, maybe around there, because they have mountains. Sometimes I show their video because going to sometime Niseko and for fishing, Tomari Mura, village Tomari, sometimes going to there for fishing. Around here, Japanese garden also so good. Now autumn leaf, really good. Under the deer, some more for study about natural. Here is nearby Sapporo area. If you come here, maybe by bus, okay, but maybe if, until Sapporo using subway and to ride bus, then come here is okay. Or if you walk, okay, maybe from Sapporo until here walking, okay, if you like walk a lot. Today is weekday and quiet, don't much people, so good walking. Now here is a monument, good view from here too. If you like natural, welcome to Sapporo and here Nopporo Nopporo Natural Park, so good. If you use car and rent cars is okay too, because here have a so big park like this. You can easily visit here by car too. And there is a for guide place. Maybe you can ask at there, I think. So good. Today just I little bit walk here, Nopporo Park.